Hello there. So you want to know how you can download and install the Sephora mobile application on your phone? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So simply go ahead and open App Store or Play Store depending on what device you are on. Once you've done that, on the search bar, simply go ahead and search for Sephora just like that. And as you can see, the application is going to pop up right over here. Click on the get button. I think it's going to ask me to verify. It's going to go ahead and do that on iOS and nothing for Android. And it's going to go ahead and download and install right away. So as you can see how quick that was. Now all you need to do is click on the open button. Make sure that you're logged in or signed up onto your account right over here. And once you've done that, that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.